guys, and welcome to another Lego building and review video from Review the Magic. Today we're going to stay in the Disney family, but we're going to move on over to the Marvel universe, and we're going to go with the Marvel Superheroes. It's a poly bag set of Iron Man. It's set number 30167, and the official title is Iron Man vs. the Fighting Drone. Now, in this set, you're going to find a minifigure of Iron Man as well as the fighting drone. Overall, the set only has 24 pieces. It's not an extensive set. It's fairly simple to put together. But once you put it together, and if you're a fan of Iron Man, you're going to have a little fun with this set. So you can see here, this is the instruction booklet that comes with it, and it shows all the different characters in this specific Marvel Superheroes collection. And if you want to check them all out, you can go to lego.com/superheroes. So let's put this guy together and see what this Lego set looks like. Thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment below. We'll see you guys real soon.
If this concludes your visit, we hope you've had a wonderful time and will return home safely.